Can the bond between a child and their parents truly be repaired after years of separation and heartache? Today, we explore the emotional story behind Olympic superstar Simone Biles, her adoptive parents who gave her a second chance, and the recent heartfelt plea from her biological mother. Just a day after her biological mother publicly begged for forgiveness, Simone shared a touching tribute to her adoptive parents. But what does this all mean for her complex family dynamics? Simone Biles, fresh from her history-making performance at the Paris Olympics, took to social media to celebrate a special gift from her parents, a luxurious Hermes bag. But these parents are not her biological ones. They are her birth grandparents, Ronald and Nellie Biles, who adopted her when she was just 6 years old. Ronald and Nellie stepped in when Simone's biological mother, Shannon Biles, could no longer care for her and her siblings due to a devastating battle with drug addiction. Despite the turmoil, these grandparents-turned-parents provided Simone and her younger sister, Audria, with the stable, loving home they desperately needed. Meanwhile, Shannon Biles, now 52, has recently made a public plea for reconciliation with her famous daughter. In an exclusive interview with DailyMail.com, Shannon expressed her deep regret over her past, stating that she hopes for forgiveness and a chance to move forward. Shannon's life has been marred by addiction, debt, and legal troubles. Despite her efforts to stay out of trouble in recent years, she remains distanced from her daughter. While she has Simone's phone number, she has never dared to call, instead relying on updates through Ronald. As Simone continues to shine on the world stage, the question remains, will she find it in her heart to reconnect with the mother who couldn't be there for her during her most formative years? For now, Simone's gratitude towards the parents who raised her is clear. But whether this story of family reconciliation will have a happy ending is still unknown. That's a wrap for today's video. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up and share your thoughts in the comments below. What do you think about Simone's decision? Should she reconnect with her biological mother? Let us know!